Alright, so I Loctited the set screw here. I moved the flywheel weights up tight against this collar and Loctited that in place to hold that up. And I Loctited the top screw here. So the engine should hold its timing and everything. And we'll see how this goes. I have a little bit of air in the fuel lines, so I'm going to try to we'll just spin it and see if that right. Alright. Alright, maybe that's it. We'll see how long that runs with this carburetor setting. And I was going to say, and as soon as I start talking about it, actually, I wonder if those balls are hitting harder now. That was it. I had it incredibly rich, and it was lumping along really rich. So now we'll see what happens.